today's video, we will fix the alert sound not working. So here is how you can easily fix the beep sound. Step 1 is to edit the alert settings to enable the sound. So you can simply click on alert. Then after go to the notification section and make sure that here you enable the play sound feature. If you don't enable this button, then there is a no sound will become. So tap this button and then after select the sound, which one you want. Okay, and also select the timer like once after 3 seconds, snooze or 10 to 30 minutes and click on apply and then click on create. Next step is to choose device volume and silent mode. System audio may be muted. So in that case, you can simply increase the volume to fully and then you can again check that the sound comes or not. Step 3 is to allow notification sound in system settings. So once you open the TradingView, now here you can make sure that you give them a notification permission. If you don't give them notification permission, in that case, you will not get any notification. The next step is you can simple verify that there is a no DND and the focus mode will be enabled. So here you will see my DND is enabled. That's why the user will not get any kind of notification from here. And the last step is you can simple recreate the alert or you can close and reopen the browser. So these are the steps that can help you to fix. Goodbye.